Hello everyone. That a lot of things depends our own thought and our own action, our own view, our own motivation. Therefore, every morning when you wake up, just try to move yourself. If you are able to move, you rejoice. Then you able to get up. Yes, you rejoice. Then you have to do something today or you don't have to do something, rejoice. Just try to rejoice, to relax. It's very important. If you in the early the morning, your mind like block, your worry start that, your all day become messy. Therefore, early morning, try to recharge, full charge our own mind. Exact example, when you go to the high office, you have to wear the nice clothes, put the nice, smelling. It's the same as that. Physically, what you do, try to mentally, I am able to go out today. I am able to, do things. It's just relax, rejoice. You have to do that because a lot of people not able to do that. They don't have ability to do that. Therefore, always say, doesn't matter good or bad, just accept. Because if we don't accept any situation, then we have very strong struggle. We have to go through difficult times. One is we say, it is for me, it's too much for me. I can't handle that because you don't accept. Therefore, if you accept, not accept, doesn't matter, it is that. Therefore, better to accept. Okay? Therefore, try to do your own individual practice, your own mind, not looking for others, what they say, what they're doing. Sometimes they make you happy, sometimes they make you very sad. Your happiness is not depends others. Your happiness depends yourself. Therefore, don't wait. Your happiness come from someone else. That's a big mistake. Thank you.